Today is day 6 of 93 days to 10K, and today was nothing special. It was mostly the same as yesterday, but instead of setting up our proposal template, we were setting up our Stripe. So the following tasks were: send 10 Upwork applications, spend 5 minutes in communities, well, for each community, post in one community. So these three were the exact same as yesterday. But the last one is set up Stripe, but I already had Stripe set up from previous ventures, so I didn't have to do that. I already had it. As I said, nothing special happened today. I was mostly losing my mind with Upwork because yet again I only sent 4 applications up until now. I still have about half an hour to send applications, so I'll still search for them, but up until now I've sent 4 because I really couldn't find great applications to send. Either they were already hired or there were too many people applied, like 50 plus, and then the boosting for that application would cost too much, so I didn't even mess around with that. And a few were just jobs that I couldn't even complete because either they were using other software as I was, or they were just tools that I know nothing about, so I avoided them. But towards the end, I just said fuck it, and I started applying to jobs that were just nearly in something that I do. So automations and NA10, which didn't require some specific knowledge in, let's say, accounting, law, real estate. I just apply. I was looking for those, and I found 4. So I applied to 4. No responses, no views, no nothing. So it's not going great, but it's only day 6. I forgot to change this. This is, I guess it's 6. We did have costs today. Yippee. One was Instantly, so the cold email outreach software that I'll be using, that is currently setting up. It was a bill of 31 euros and 68 cents for just the software, so this is monthly. And another was 32 euros and 54 cents for Upwork Connect. So for those who don't know, Upwork Connect are the things that you basically use as currency to apply to job applications. So let's say a job application will cost about 9 to anywhere above 50 and beyond, depending on how many people have applied and how much the boosting costs. So we're currently on 723 and 26 cents. Not looking great. And total costs were 64 and 22 cents. And I've worked for about 4 hours today. This one is wrong because I forgot to change it. So yeah, that's mostly it. I'll see you tomorrow on day 7, which from what I'm seeing is basically the same thing from today, but setting up something else instead of Stripe. I'll be setting up something else, and of course 10 applications, but I hope for the best. So yeah, see you tomorrow.